Welcome back to Better Kansas City. So humidity and heat, it sounds like a recipe for frizzy hair, but it does not have to be. Stylist Daysi Diaz is here to show us how we can actually keep our hair smooth. So what is one way that we can do that?
Okay, so I want to talk to you guys today about this amazing product. It's called a Brazilian Blowout.
Okay.
We actually have a lot of products that you can use at home, but the one I want to particularly talk about is the treatment that you get done at the salon. It's a professional treatment. You can't get it done at home. You can't just go to the drugstore and get it. You have to go to the salon, but I'm telling you, you will not regret it. It's one of the best treatments. A lot of celebrities are using it, and it's trending right now. So
Your model actually just had this done, and right now we can see both sides of her hair, how it looks when it's curled and how it looks when it's straight.
And the reason why I wanted to curl it is because a lot of people think with the keratin treatment, because that's what that is, you get straight hair, but it is not the case. It actually is a treatment that is designed to create a protective layer on your hair. So sometimes it can make your hair a lot straighter, but it doesn't mean that you can't curl it.
Okay, Daysi, let's get to curling so we can see the master at work.
Yes, and this is just an example of how to curl short hair.
Okay. And how is it different curling short hair from long hair per se?
It's actually easier. A lot of people think that normally with short hair you have to curl everything, but when you have short hair, it's a lot easier because all you have to worry about is the top layer of your hair. You don't have to worry about the bottom layer. So if you were running out the door and you just want to put a few curls in, obviously you want to make sure that you use some heat protectant every time you use your curling iron because it's hot. So what we're using right now is by Brazilian Blowout, and it's a heat protectant. It's an ionic bonding spray. It helps keep the curl, and it also helps with protecting from heat.
Now let's also talk about frizziness, right? Because a lot of ladies can relate to this. We walk out the door and all of a sudden your hair just turns into an afro, it gets big, and it's not the way it looked when you were in your bathroom.
Exactly.
So, how can we really fight the frizzy?
There's a lot of products that you can use at home.
Okay.
And of course, I want to talk to you about these professional products. I really like Kendra. It is a silkening gloss. What you will do is after you get out of the shower with your hair still damp, just take a little bit of this, rub it, and apply it to your hair. You can do this on wet hair, and you can also do it on dry hair.
So I think that every lady probably needs this, and we were kind of looking at this earlier, and it actually it feels like silk.
It does, and it smells amazing too. So it's something that you will not regret putting on every morning. It makes your hair stay shiny and frizz-free all day.
And what's the name of this one more time?
It's a silkening gloss.
Okay.
It is by Kendra. It's one of my favorites. Now to finish up her look, I love using this brand of hairspray.
Okay.
It's by Amica. It's a flexible, touchable spray.
Okay.
Now, when we hear about hairspray, the first thing to our mind is, oh my gosh, crunchy hair. This is completely different. You can run your fingers through it, and I'm gonna do a little demonstration here just to set her hair.
And will this kind of hairspray actually help us lock in the curl so it doesn't balloon out when we walk out the door?
It has hold.
Okay.
So it's going to hold your hair, but it's not going to make it crusty or, super hard. So as you can tell, I'm feeling her hair. It's setting. So this is going to keep your hair completely frizz-free throughout the day.
Well, it also smells great over here.
It smells amazing.
That is awesome.
Yes.
And Daysi, thank you so much for introducing us to this new technique so that way maybe we can go through the summer without frizzy hair.
Talk to your stylist about this thing. I mean, it's amazing. It's one of those products that I've had clients texting me at 1 in the morning because they had their first shower and they're like, oh my gosh, why didn't I do this before? It's one of those things that once you've done it, you can't live without it.
Daysi, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Minimize to maximize. Next, what it means to invest tax